Hello children, good morning. How are you all? I hope everyone is fine and everyone is doing well. Welcome back to our session. So, which lesson we are discussing children? We are discussing lesson number 14. Water is too little, too waste. Okay, yesterday we have discussed about the organic impurities and also inorganic impurities and also bacterial and other microbes. So only a small part we have discussed, right? And in today's session we are going to discuss whatever the process. So what are the process to, so how they will do the process at the wastewater. So how they will treat the wastewater in the plants. Okay, how they will so how the wastewater again it will be purified. So what they will do, so the treatment which is there, these treatments involves physical, chemical and also biological process. This we are having three processes: physical, chemical and also biological process. In this, which will, so the waste which is there, these will be removed from chemical and also biological processes. Whatever the waste which is there, so this is removed in the process of chemical and biological process. And the matter, so whatever the matter, so contaminated water we'll say, no, so the water which is contaminated, so that contaminated water also will be resolved by the biological matter. Okay, from biologically and chemically the wastewater, how the wastewater management process was doing, so that we are going to discuss in a detailed way. So whatever the wastewater, so everyone know very well, so in which places the wastewater will be, so we can see in the roads like a drainage system which are there. So through this the wastewater will be going off. And for example, if you are living in the flats or apartments or any individual houses, so from where the wastewater will be going, that all you know very well, right? So the wastewater which is there, it will be passed. Okay, here you are having like a bar screen, so see. So if you are seeing here, okay, so we are having like a bar screens. So through these bar screens, bar screens, so the wastewater which is there, this wastewater will be moved from this, whatever the bigger objects will be there, no, so like rugs, okay, rugs, okay, and also sticks. So some sticks will be there, and also so many water packets or whatever the packets which we are eating, the Lays like Bingos and also the biscuit packets which are there, so this will be staying. So whatever the lines like this it was there, no, okay, so the wastewater will be moving from this, and the objects which are there, so it will be remain here. So it will be remain here. These are okay, whatever the waste, okay, so bar screens which are seeing, from these bar screens the wastewater will be moving inside, and the objects which are there, they will be staying here. Okay, so these with the help of these bar screens they will remove, so they will remove this, okay, whatever the objects was there, they will remove from this. And afterward what they will do, when this goes to a grit, okay, when this goes to a grit means it is like a small loose particles will be there, no, in that also some loose small loose particles also will go inside, right? So grit means that whatever the small particles was there, so that particles will be removed from the sand removal tank. So after that, if you are seeing there, so we are having a sand removal tank, okay, whatever this is there, this is called as a sand removal tank. So whatever the bar screen is there, so from this whatever the objects, the big objects which are there, so the packets, the water packets and also whatever the rest, some cloths like it will be there, no, so whatever the waste cloths which we are throwing, so that will be stayed here. And the packets, that whatever the we are throwing it, so that also will be staying here. But the small grit is nothing but the small loose particles will be there, no, that loose particles, the loose particles and will be the loose particles and the which are inside the sand. So we have seen one stand making, so stand tank, right? So stand removal tank is there, no? So the speed of the incoming water, so whatever the waste water, it will come in a speed. So whatever the waste water is coming in a flow, this is decreased. Okay, this is decreased to allow the sand, whatever the sand material was there, and the pebbles means small stones which will be there, no? And these will be stopped stopped in the sand removal tank is there, no? In this small particles will be small loose sand particles, and also pebbles also will be stayed in this. Okay, they will settle down. So they will settle down means, for example, if I'm coming to the class, oh, everyone settle down in your places, I'll tell, no? So like that they will sit right there in the sand removal tank is there, no? So in that place they will settle. Okay, what we'll do this, so whatever the waste was there, for what purpose we'll use this also, I'll tell in the next. Okay, in the next session I'll tell, so whatever the waste which is there here, so that for which purpose we are using this. Okay, so first one, so whatever the bar screens was there, so with the help of this bar screens, so whatever the bigger objects will be there, that will be removed, and with the help of the sand removing taps, the small objects, and which are the small stones was there, so that will be settled down in that place. Okay, next what happens, so in the next, the water, so the water which is there, so that will be going inside the, so whatever the large tanks. So in the third steps we are having the large tank is there, see. So here if you are seeing here, so we are having a large tank, see here. So it is large tank, okay, which is sloped towards the middle. So in the middle, we are having like this, see, and we are having like a large tank. So it will slope, and the solids, so the solids which are there like feces, okay, the feces also settle here, and also these feces will be removed by a scraper. So not only feces, so whatever the sand particles which are storing there, so these will be removed by a scraper. Scraper is nothing but, so it is one of the tool, which is used to remove the dust particles. The tool which is used to remove the dust particle is called as a scraper. Okay, already today we have seen 2 to 3 new words like a grit, scrappers. Okay, still we have read, okay, in yesterday's class we have read about the dysenteries. Okay, so in this way the scrappers will be removed. Scraper, so with that, so not scraper will be removed. So scraper will remove the whatever the particles was there, the feces and also the sand particles which are there, the scraper will be removed. Okay, now whatever the remained, so whatever the remained, this is called as a sludge. The remained particle is there, no? That is called as a sludge. Sludge is nothing but a mud. Sludge is nothing but mud. Okay, so this will be settled there, and a skimmer which is there, this is also the part, so this is also one of the tool which is used to remove the waste. Okay, the skimmer which is there, this skimmer also will be removed. So what it will remove, the skimmer which is there, this will remove whatever the solids, whatever the floatable soils. So everyone know, we have discussed in the 5th class and also in the 6th class also we have discussed what is floating, what is sink, and also another one, float, sink and mixes, right? We have studied which subject will mix, and so which substances will mix, and which substances will float, and which substances will float, sink, and which substances will sink, we have discussed in the future. So in the previous classes, in the 5th class and also in the 6th class, we have studied about the float, sink, and also the mixes. In the same way, here in the the skimmer, what it will do? The floatable substances. Can you tell one of the name which is floating? So in the floating, so we can take an example of oil. So oil will float in the water, right? So here the oil, grease, so oil, grease, the floatable substances are there, no? These will be removed with the help of the skimmer. So now water is so clear, and it is like a, it is called, so water which is there, so the water which is there, first the bigger substances was removed by these, and the small sand particles was removed by the salt tank, and whatever the scrappers are there, from these also we have removed what are the mud particles, and after that the floating substances which are there, the oil like that will be there, no? So these are all removed by the skimmer, and now we got water which is purified. So this purified water is nothing but we can tell this as a clarified water. So from this after these processes we got the clarified water, right? So this water which is cleared, this water is called as a clarified water. Okay, the clarified water was got from this, and I already said no. So whatever the remained particles which is there, so we will use for the other purpose also. That I'll explain in the next session. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.